In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age using date of birth in Excel. If you've got a list of birthdays and you want a clean, automatic way to show someone's age, this approach is quick, reliable, and updates itself each day. First, open Excel and go to the worksheet and cell where you want the age to appear. Click into that cell so we can build the formula right there. We're going to use a function named DateToDF. It's a legacy or hidden function, which means it won't appear in Excel's formula suggestion list as you type. That's normal, so don't worry if you don't see it in the dropdown. Excel still understands it. Start by typing an equal sign to begin the formula, then type DateToDF, followed by an opening parenthesis. DateToDF needs three inputs. The first input is the date of birth. You can click the cell that contains the birthday so you don't have to type the date. Then type a comma to move to the next input. For the second input, we want today's date so the age stays current. We'll use the today function for that. Type today, then open and close the parentheses immediately after it. No arguments are needed for today, then add another comma. The third input tells Excel the unit you want as the result. Because we want the age in completed years, type the letter Y inside quotation marks. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. Your formula should read like a natural sentence: start date, end date, unit. Once you hit enter, Excel will display the person's age in whole years. A couple of helpful tips. If your result looks wrong or you see an error, make sure the date of birth is recognized as a real date, not text. Real dates typically align to the right by default, and you can also format the cell as a date to be sure. If the date of birth is in the future, DateToDF will return an error because it can't calculate a negative age. Remember, today updates every day, so the age will roll over automatically on the birthday. DateToDF returns full years only. It ignores the months and days beyond the last birthday, which is exactly what we want for a standard age value. That's all there is to it. Equals DateToDF, the birth date, today for the current date, and Y for years. Press enter, and your age calculation is ready. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using this simple formula to keep your spreadsheets accurate and up to date.